In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide filters in Notion for a cleaner database view. Let's start by opening the Notion page that contains the database you want to work with. Make sure you're actually inside the database view, not just looking at a linked preview. You should see your usual table, board, list, or gallery layout with all your entries. At the top of your database, look for the Filters area. This is usually represented by a little funnel icon near the top right of the database header. If filters are currently active, you'll see that icon highlighted, and you may already see a bar or panel showing the filter conditions, like properties, operators, and selected values. Click on that highlighted filter area or funnel icon to open the filter panel. This is where you can see exactly which filters are applied. It might say something like filter, followed by one or more conditions. Take a moment to review them so you understand what's actually being filtered out. This can help you avoid accidentally hiding items you still need. If you want to remove a filter entirely, hover over the specific filter condition until you see an option to delete it. Click on Delete Filter to remove that condition. The database will refresh and show more items, depending on what you removed. You can repeat this for any other filters you no longer need. Now, if your goal is not to remove filters but simply to hide the filter panel while keeping those filters active, you don't need to delete anything. Instead, with the panel open, click the same funnel icon or the highlighted filter area again. This collapses the filter menu. The filters stay applied in the background, but the detailed criteria are hidden from view, giving you a much cleaner interface. If you're working in a shared workspace and want to make sure no one accidentally changes your filters, consider locking the database view after you've set everything up. Open the view options, look for the option to lock the view, and turn it on. This won't hide the filters themselves, but it does prevent others from editing them. Finally, once your filters are set, collapsed, and your view is locked if needed, scroll through your database to confirm everything looks the way you expect. Your filters are active, your view is tidy, and your workspace is easier to navigate without that extra visual clutter.